So, welcome back, guys. This is the beginning of our web development course, and this is the first lecture. So, in this lecture, I will be telling you about how to install VS Code and then installing the live server extension. So, to install VS Code, you simply type VS Code in your browser and click on the first website, and it will take you to this website. Okay, so after coming to this website, the mm, website will smell which operating system you have. So according to your operating system, you can simply download the latest version of VS Code. And like, I have already downloaded VS Code, so I will not going to download it again, but you simply have to click on this button and complete the installation process. And after installing, I'm just waiting for you to install it. So after installing, this VS Code icon will appear on your desktop. So before clicking on VS Code, you simply create a new folder. You can name this folder as a web dev course. So after that, you simply open VS Code and drag and drop this folder into it. Now we have successfully opened it, and now this we have to create our first file. You can create it as tut1.html. This is your first file, but we also have to download the live server extension. So you simply have to click on this extensions and search live server. So this is the live server. I have already installed it, so you can simply install it. The basic function of live server is to directly take your content from VS Code to the Chrome browser or any browser which you are using. So after installing, like, let me just show you. Like, if I want to open it, so I can simply open with live server, and yeah, this is my first website. So I can name the title as my first website, my first website. So this is the title. You have to save it, and now you don't have to open it, you just have to refresh it. So basically the title is updated live. So this is the basic function of live server. So it saves your efforts. So this is one of the important extensions which you have to download. Now this is the basic syntax of HTML. So let me just show you again. So you simply click on exclamation, so shift plus exclamation. So this is the emit. Now these are the shortcuts in VS Code to print this basic syntax of HTML. You don't have to type it manually again and again. The VS Code will do it for you. So this is an amazing code editor. Now let me in the next lecture I will be explaining you about the basic syntax and what are these tags, their functions, and everything. So stay tuned and follow the um, playlist.